Here's how to vacuum a pool. You will need a vacuum head, a telescopic pole, and a vacuum hose. First off, you will connect the vacuum head to the telescopic pole. Make sure it is well in place and that you hear the little click. After that, you're gonna take both ends of the hose and you're gonna see that one of them is moving or is written down to connect to vacuum head. So you will be connecting this one to the vacuum head. So the other part of the hose will be connected in the skimmer. So you will need to remove the basket in the skimmer. And then later you will need to connect it to one of the holes. You will see that there is more than one hole, but usually there is one that is already filled, but we will be using the one closest to the wall. Before connecting your vacuum into the skimmer, you will need to fill in the hose with water. So remove every air that is in the vacuum hose. So to do that, we suggest you to sit down by the side of the pool and hold the pool with your legs. Then you will slowly put the vacuum hose into the pool as close as possible to the wall. That way you will be able to slowly fill the hose with water and remove the air. We also recommend you that you should untangle the hose before doing this. This will get you to do your job way easier. You will see at the end, when we have entered the entire hose into the water, that the water will come out of the other end of the hose. This means that your hose is filled with water. Just like that. And then you plug it into the hole in the skimmer. Once again, the one closest to the wall. And then you can extend the telescopic pole and vacuum slowly the bottom of your pool. Once you're done vacuuming, you will need to unplug the hose from the skimmer before removing the vacuum head. Once you've removed that end, you can bring both ends out of the pool and place the vacuum head on top of the skimmer or a drain. This way, we will be able to drain the dirty water into the skimmer that will go directly into the filtration system, or you can also do it into a drain, so it will go into the sewage system. When you're done removing the hose from the pool, you will now have to store it. So here is a technique that I will show you in case you don't have a hook to store your hose. So this technique is called coil. So you will coil your vacuum hose on the ground. And this will be a nice way to keep it untangled and properly stored. So when you use it next time, it will be ready to use.